In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can make your own template in Microsoft Excel. So here I have only one sheet. If you want to set your template here, so first of all you have to select your complete sheet by clicking here. This is selected. If you want that whatever you write here it should be bold, so you have to click here. Font size, if you want it should be 20, set it here. Here I will open and my font is Arial Black. Alignment is center alignment. Similarly, if you want you can increase or decrease the height and width of your rows and columns, right? And italic is here, underline is here, whatever you want. First way and easiest way is if you want to increase the width, you can increase by dragging this from here. Another way is go to the cells group, and cells group, this is the format. Here is the row height and column width. Open column width first. I will make suppose 25 for all the columns in one shot. It will do for us. Same thing for the row height. If you need 50 should be the height, 50 pixels, and okay, right? So after this you have to save your template. Clicking on the file, here is the save as, and then go to the browse button. Whatever name you want to give to your file, I am making it temp, right, or temp1, and the extension should be open this arrow Excel template. Now we have to save wherever you want in your USB desktop. I am going to save here, so and save it, right? Suppose now I am going to close it. After this, after 1 week or maybe tomorrow, if you want to open your file by using the same template, then you can go wherever you have saved your file, and then I will show you how it looks when we will open. This is our file temp1. So in temp 1 you can see exactly the same formatting is there whatever we did, right? If we want to write something here, suppose I am going to write down MS Excel, it is the center alignment, it is bold, 20 is the font size, and Arial Black. Whatever we will do, we will work here, it will follow the same instruction whatever we had here. If you want you can open the second sheet, third sheet, and apply the same formatting and save it. So in this way you can make your own template. I hope the concept is clear. Please practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.